In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have multiple assignees in Jira. This capability is particularly useful in team environments where tasks need to be managed by more than one person. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you can easily implement this in your Jira setup. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Jira settings. You can find this by looking for the gear icon in the top right corner of your Jira dashboard. Clicking on it will open up a variety of options, and from there you should select the Issues tab. This tab is your gateway to managing all things related to issues, such as creating custom fields, which is what we'll be focusing on today. Next, within the issue settings, you'll need to locate the Custom Fields section. This will be the section where you can create a new field that allows you to assign tasks to multiple users. Once you find it, go ahead and click on Create Custom Field. This action will open up options for creating different types of custom fields. Now you'll be presented with various field types. For our purpose, you'll want to select Advanced Fields. After selecting Advanced Fields, look for the option called User Picker, Multiple Users. This option is crucial because it enables you to select more than one user for the field, thus allowing multiple assignees for a task. Once you've identified the correct field type, it's time to give your field a name. Make sure to choose something descriptive like Additional Assignees. This name will appear whenever you or your team members are managing issues, so clarity is key here to avoid any confusion. After naming your new field, click on Create. This step will formally add your custom field to the list. However, to make this field usable, you'll need to decide where you want it to appear. You do this by selecting the screen on which you want to display this field. Screens in Jira are essentially templates for different issue types. So pick the screen that corresponds with the tasks needing multiple assignees. Once you've selected the screen, click on Update to apply your changes. Now you are all set to use this new capability. Whenever you're creating or editing an issue, you'll find the custom field available, allowing you to input multiple users as additional assignees. Remember, while the primary assignee remains the main person responsible for the issue, these additional assignees can be notified and tracked regarding their involvement. This setup improves collaboration and ensures that everyone who needs to be in the loop stays informed. With these steps, you can now effectively manage tasks with multiple contributors in Jira. Happy collaborating!